How to fix the issue where your apps are not showing on your Windows computer or laptop. So if you're on your desktop like this and you can't see any of your applications, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this. Now, the first thing you need to do is open up the Start menu and search for Settings, and then we can click on this Settings window here. In the left-hand navigation, go and click on Personalization. You can then click on Themes, and you need to scroll down and click on Desktop Icon Settings. Now, underneath Desktop Icons, go and check the items that you want to display on your desktop. Once you've done this, just press Apply and OK, and then you can head back over to your desktop. If it's still not working, another thing you can try doing is opening up the Start menu. You can then go and search for the app that you want to add to your desktop. So let's say I wanted to add this app here. You can simply go and right click on this application and press Open File Location. You can then right click on this again, click on Show More Options. You can then click on Send To and select Desktop Create Shortcut. You can then head back over to your desktop and once again check if that solved the issue. If it's still not working, the final solution is to right click somewhere on your desktop. You can then click on View and make sure to check this box Show Desktop Icons, and as you can see, all of our apps have now reappeared. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.